Let's review a baby registry. I honestly am not a fan of the Trip Trap. I know people love it, but this tray is like terrible to clean. I think it's okay if you're gonna have baby like eat at the table with you and basically just not use the tray. I think that's okay. You do have to have like tools to move the footrest up and down. It is a very ergonomic chair and it's pretty, so there are some pluses, but my favorite chair right now is the Mockingbird high chair. I think it still has a good aesthetic and it's much easier to move up and down, and the tray is so much easier to clean. Yes, yes, yes. People don't always know this, but you're supposed to change your pump parts out pretty frequently. So look it up, depends on like how much you're pumping and stuff like that, but you are supposed to replace these parts. So I think it's a great idea to ask for these kits. I honestly would not ask for the warmer. I would try to get your kiddo to take room temperature bottles and see if they will. And if they don't, then you can order a warmer later. But my daughter was fine with room temp. My son has needed them heated up. So it just kind of depends. But I would try, if you can, to get them used to taking it without it, 'cause it's a lot easier. I do like the Dr. Brown's, but I do not recommend registering for such a large set of any one type of bottle. I would get a couple different kinds, see what baby likes, and then get more later. Baby Brezza, I'm kind of a no on this. You just don't know if you're gonna be using formula, and then two, I've just seen too many things about it like not doing well. I think you have to like clean it really carefully in order for it to work properly, and I'm just like, I don't know. I don't know if it's a good idea. Yes to this. Love these from Easy Peasy. I would switch these out for the LB Couch Cups. I've made a ton of videos on that. You'd love this. This is fine. I'm actually not the biggest fan of the Babyless bottle box. I don't love the options that it gives you. So I don't know. I think I would switch this out and just do like the one Dr. Brown's, one Even Flow, one Glucola or Pigeon. All of those have good shapes. I don't think you need this burp cloth and the other ones. Just one pack is fine. Love the Mom Cozy bottle washer. I've heard good things about the Ollie. I've heard good things about the Halo. I would switch this one up. This is pretty similar to this in the way that it functions with the Velcro and all. I would probably switch this one for the Swaddle Up, just so you have 3 different swaddle options. This is great. All right, yes to this, yes to this. This is fine. Baby monitor's fine. I have a friend who absolutely swears by one kind of like this, although you can get the Mom Cozy one pretty significantly cheaper, I believe. I have had the Nanit, loved it, used it, all the time. I've been a really big fan of that. Okay, these are the Newton bassinet sheets. I just want to make sure that you actually have the Newton bassinet to go with them. I think it's a kind of a unique size, so if you're getting these sheets, just make sure you already have that. I do like the Guava Family travel crib. Newton actually just made a travel crib too that's pretty similar, and I think it's actually a little bit lighter, so I would check that one out. This is fine. This is fine. I don't think you need this and the other one. I would just get one.